Hi friends, as usual I've been fighting the camera, but we're just gonna see how it goes. Today I'm going for a bike ride with my friend and I thought I would take you guys with me. I'm late, because you know how we do. So I'm gonna do my best at vlogging. See you in a bit.
Next day.
Good morning guys, look at how sweaty I am. I literally ran to the train station. I'm going to meet my mom and sister in London today, so I'll take you along with me. This train. One thing about me is I hate being cold, but I also sweat really easily. So obviously I've layered up because it's getting cold, it's foggy outside, but on my walk to the train station I was literally sweating so much. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to meet my mum and sister in London. They rang me earlier like, oh, we've left, and I was like, no you haven't. They're like, yeah, we have. She rang me and she's outside. So I literally rushed in the shower. I got whatever clothes I could find on and left. So now I'm waiting. The train should come in 5 minutes. So I'll see you in a bit. Just got to London. Gonna try and find my mum and sister. I need to call them, but I don't think I've ever been here before. Let me show you. It's really foggy today. That's the Shard. No idea what building that is, I'm gonna be honest. That's the Gherkin. So let me call my mum, find out where they are. I pride myself on being a good navigator, but I actually have no idea where I'm going. They aren't here yet, and I'm just kind of walking around. I'm gonna try and find where we're going so that when they get here we can just find our way easily. But there doesn't seem to be any I want like a coffee, or there's a Pret there. I want like a coffee or something. Let me check my maps. the wrong way. So now I have to walk past again. This is really awkward, vlogging in public. So this is where I am.
One hour later.
Hi guys, so I'm with my sister.
Hi.
And my mum.
She's shouting at me.
I'm shouting at them guys because I've been walking around for a million years.
We came from Windsor. She just came from
No guys.
by the corner. Which guys?
Guys.
It hasn't been a million years. We've literally been waiting for like 20 minutes and you're over exaggerating.
It's cold!
It's not even that cold. We just went to the toilet at Paddington, that's all. And we bought her some sweets because she likes sweets.
We got you sweets. I don't eat sweets anymore. I haven't eaten sweets since I left.
Really? Good.
Yeah.
Look at
I'm
healthy.
What sweets did you buy though? Just tell me which ones you bought.
And that lolly.
Which one?
From the South
Mum, you want a
African
picture?
shop.
I take there.
I want one.
Guys. The way I rushed out of...
Can I just say, it's so pretty here.
It is really nice. I think it's the buildings because the buildings are old.
Yeah.
But the buildings are
kinda
old in
cute.
Windsor too.
Yeah, but Windsor's not cute.
On TikTok there was this bus going Windsor and all the comments are like, oh my god, Windsor, Windsor, yeah. And I wasn't sure whether to comment or not. Should have commented like, oh my god, I can tell the Windsor High Street from anywhere.
No, but like I feel so weird to like comment on a TikTok or anything.
I've commented once.
Because I feel like someone's going to find my comment. And then
Like
if it's
someone you know.
Yeah. It's gonna, I saw your comment.
Oh my god, no, but if they bring up... What? No.
I feel like if it's someone from my school, they'll like obviously bring it up.
Really?
Yeah, it's like, oh my god, you know what video I saw? And then I went in the comments and I saw your comment. It's like, oh, that's like the girls in my class.
Really, they love
Actually,
them.
just my school in general. Oh my god, Tommy's mine. Do you know what? I'll just kill Molly. Oh, what would happen if Tommy and Molly don't meet? We'll probably be together.
You know we are going to build a mission. Home.
Yeah.
Don't pretend I'm not here.
Sorry. Do you feel left out?
Oh my god, Marjorie.
We're just catching up, mummy.
Oh my god, Marjorie, do you remember Tommy and Molly?
That's it.
Is it you want to be part of the
know,
conversation?
Yeah, Tommy and Molly. Yeah. And Maura. Maura and Chris are like proper getting on my nerves.
Really?
Oh, I'm just tired.
Do you reckon it's publicity?
Yeah, I feel like they'll break up in a few months. Like, I get
A few moments later.
Make it exciting.
I don't have an exciting life.
Make it exciting for others, not for you.
My mum's telling me.
just kind of talked a bit too much. And
Yeah.
Well, it's a get ready with me.
yeah,
Well, but
it wasn't-
in an
I can-
exciting way, isn't it? Because you make people sleep. Especially me.
No, but like it was so long and boring. I watched like 14 minutes and I just couldn't anymore.
And then I told Nisha, I said, what did you tell Naomi? Ah, nothing. I said, you're not supposed to keep quiet. You're supposed to tell her her mistakes so that she learns from them and then she improves, isn't it?
Yeah, constructive criticism.
So, one, couldn't hear.
Okay, so that means no more filming on the iPad.
Yeah, I think that's why you seem to be verifying, not me. It's
Okay.
like maybe that's why people couldn't hear, even Brenda. And then the ones I sent to, they just kept most of them like it. Anyway, I didn't even send it to you.
Wow, get you a mum who supports you. Yeah. Don't know, we've been here not, there's no one there. I'm on the way home now. Look at my hair, like, it's been a long day. We went to go and see my auntie and my cousin and my baby. I did film a bit. I'll put what I can. So yeah, now I'm on the way home. I'm reading at the Flatshare. And yeah, the train is really empty, which is the only reason I'm vlogging, because it's empty. So now I'm just gonna read my book. I'm thinking about dinner. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten anything today or had water. I took a massive bag. I should have put a water bottle in there, but I didn't. This is a mask I made. Cute, right? So yeah, I'll check in with you when I get home.
The next day.
I have no business looking this crusty, but it's the next day, obviously. Getting home was so much drama. My train, on the way home, there was some people on the tracks, on the train tracks, which meant my train was diverted, and it was just all sorts of rubbish. And then I ended up walking home, and I was so tired. I was hungry, so that happened. But I made it home. So yeah, it's the next day. I haven't done anything. I'm gonna close the vlog here, but I just wanted to say that I'm really enjoying this book, The Flatshare. I'm really enjoying that, by Beth O'Leary. And it's a nice day today, so I'm gonna go for a walk. And I found this like book exchange thing, so I'm gonna take some books and see if there's any books that I like near the train station, so I'm gonna go there. What else? Watching Virgin River on Netflix, which is good like background television. I'm not really like watching it, but I really like the nature shots. Like, it looks like a really nice area, so I've really enjoyed. Like, it's somewhere I'd want to go on holiday. Not that I'm gonna find out where it is. I have no desire to go to America, but you know, we'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a good week, a good day, a good evening. I've never done my hair like this before, and I kind of dig it. Anyway, yeah. Thanks. Tearing out.